Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and I have a fairly big baking project to get out of the way. I went into my freezer and looking for like 5 or 6 frozen bananas. I came out with 19. So, let's suffice it to say is we're making massive quantities of banana bread today. So it was 19, but I'm going to say 16, 15 or 16 because some of the bananas did not quite come away from their skins. So now I have to figure out the math. All right, so here are our bananas, and first things first, I'm going to put these on the small KitchenAid and whisk them nice and smooth while I get the rest of our ingredients together. Alrighty folks, here's what we got. We have approximately 6 cups to 7 cups of mashed banana. We have 8 cups of flour with 3 tablespoons of baking powder and a tablespoon of cinnamon. You can use more if you like. I have the equivalent of 8 eggs in this. I'm using powdered eggs. And we have 4 cups of sugar. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the eggs, because they're not really well broken up, I'm going to put them in first with the sugar. The sugar should have a grinding effect and make these eggs smooth. So can you guys see? You can't see, can you? Here we go. Here's Sam. All right, so into this, if I had brown sugar, I would use 4 cups of packed brown sugar. I don't have that. I don't have any molasses either, so 4 cups of sugar. Whoa, I left my spoon in there. Don't be doing that. And I'm going to whip the egg mixture and the sugar together. And that had the desired effect. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of, I use sunflower oil. God, this takes a long time to pour. 1 cup of sunflower oil. You use whatever oil you want. I don't recommend olive oil because it does have a taste. Put our oil away and get this beating again. Now, I have 8 cups of flour. If I need more, I will use more because it looks like I have the same amount in banana. However, the banana bowl is narrow at the bottom. I've set my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to start adding flour, alternating with banana. Flour, banana. Flour, and the last of the banana. I think I may have too much flour. We'll see. This is a heavy batter. I was going to do my triple pan. I don't know if I've got enough batter for that. So let's start with the mini pans and see. This is really a heavy batter, so it's going to be more cake than bread. Maybe it'll be more bread than cake. I don't know. We'll see, won't we? I'm guesstimating all these measurements. But if it works, I will put the recipe in the end. If it doesn't work, I will put the amended recipe in the end. I put a little bit of oil in the bottom of this cup, and that makes it nice and easy to get the batter out. I have 2 of these pans and I can't find my other one. That works good for honey too, if you put a little bit of oil in your cup. Alright. That's certainly not going to hurt this thick batter in any way, shape, or form. Hang my cup on the side there. Give these a couple of taps. And you know what? I think I'm going to get out my one big long loaf pan for this. If your parchment paper is too short, put it side kitty corner. And then just tuck the corners in. Okay? Alright. Here we go. Give a little bit. Jeez, I might get another full loaf out of this. I forgot how big Sam's bowl is. You still gotta wait, Gracie. There's still more banana bread. Alright. Here she goes. Oh, this is heavy. 30,000 pounds of bananas on a highway somewhere near Scranton, Pennsylvania. And remember, folks, this may have been 4 cups of sugar, but look at how many loaves I have. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 loaves. So that's a cup of sugar per full-size loaf. All of these are going into a 350-degree oven for an hour or until a skewer or toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our banana bread timer has gone off. Let's have a look. Would you look at that? Yep, and that's done too. Well, this bigger one has to stay, the bigger one has to stay in a bit longer. And that means so does the other. It's always good to test. The large one, or the other pan, is not quite ready. It's going to take another 15 minutes. Look. And there it is. Hopefully after supper, you'll see Papa taste it. And remember, folks, only 4 cups of sugar went into all of this. I'm sitting here darning, and Howie's brought me my piece of banana bread, and I just got to show it to you. It's fluffy and dense and uber delicious. Not overly sweet. Lovely with a little bit of butter. Let's see what Howard has to say. This was your 30,000 pounds of bananas. Not a lot of sugar in it,
no.
But it's just sweet, eh?
I expect some in my lunch tomorrow.
All right, darling. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, lovely, spongy, fluffy, but dense and delicious banana. Get them bananas out of the freezer. Mwah! Take care. God bless.